Hello, in this video I will show you how to build a PC step by step. First thing, you need to touch some metal thing for discharging yourself for safety reasons. You also need to save your screws on mini plate. Okay, so let's start with building. First thing, you need to put out of box the motherboard and I/O shield and put motherboard on box. Then you need to put the CPU in motherboard socket with three intent corners. On CPU, you need to put a small amount of thermal paste and connect. And put the CPU cooler on CPU. Also connect the CPU cooler in CPU fan slot. RAM goes into the RAM port. Don't worry about breaking motherboard. Just press it down and when you hear the click, RAM is in place. Then open the PC case on the first side and put the I/O shield on the case. And we are ready to put the motherboard in PC case and screw it in place. Now it's time for putting the GPU in, but first you need to unscrew those screws. Now put the GPU in and screw the screws back on. Then unscrew the backside of PC case. And put SSD in SSD slot. You can put also hard drive, but I won't show this in this video. You need to screw also the screws on. Now if you have a CD-ROM, put it in the CD-ROM slot and screw it on. Then put in case power supply and screw it on. When you put everything in, you need to connect all cables. First, you need to connect the 20-pin cable from the power supply to the motherboard. 4-pin or 8-pin also goes into the motherboard. Then connect the SSD with SATA cable from the motherboard and also power cable from the power supply. Also put the SATA and power cable into the CD-ROM like in SSD. If you have case coolers, connect them in power supply or in motherboard fan port. Now connect those small cables into the motherboard. On pin 1 goes power LED plus and on pin 2 goes power LED minus. HDD LED with words facing down goes under power LED. Power switch goes to pin number 3 and pin number 4. Reset switch goes under power switch. Next, connect USB 3.0 and to USB 2.0 on G-USB 3 and G-USB 1 or 2 and HD audio to G-Audio 1 slot. Close case and PC is ready. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you and see you next time on this channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.